Hi everyone, this is Aaron with Crypto Trends, and today is January 10th, 2018. Today we're looking at Vibe, or vibehub.io, and this is a revolutionary crypto that just hit the Binance market. So let's go take a look. Starting off with coin market cap, we have a market cap of 726 billion with a 33.8% Bitcoin dominance. Ethereum looks like it's still doing pretty good, and whoa, it's at 1300, having a really nice surge there. Ripple's at $2. It's looks like some life is coming back into it, and yeah, there's like some greens here. It's not all reds like it used to be, right? Anyway, moving on. How did I find Vibe? Well, in the mornings, if you don't know, I sit and meditate, and then I basically scan, just looking at the names, just kind of like gauging the energy behind the names of these coins. And I went way down, and I found, where is it now? I found Vibe, and it's right there. It's at number 88, and it has a 432 market cap in it right now, which is great. And this is showing that it's up 12.5% for the hour, and for the 24-hour, 463%. I didn't notice this until after I did the reading. I couldn't believe it. 864% for the week. My gosh. Anyway, let's look at this thing, shall we? So we click on Vibe, and just astronomical, right? Skyrocket, straight up. Boom, huge, still growing. And let's see, where can you get this guy at? Binance and hit BTC. Majority of the volume is definitely on Binance. All right, so let's go to the website. If we click on this little guy here, it takes us here. And let's go back to the first one. So what is Vibe? Vibe is basically wanting to take virtual reality and bring it in into your life. It's taking the consumers of that and putting it basically on the stage where the performers are, and this can definitely happen. So if you go out and you buy tickets and you're all jazzed about having like front row seats and stuff, this technology with this platform, you could like actually be on the stage, like standing on the stage and walking around the performers in real time in virtual reality. How cool is that? That's one of the images that I got from this thing as I was doing a view. Way cool. So they want to capture hologram performances for artists, educators, public figures, and presenting them in an immersive virtual world. Totally cool. So check this guy out. I mean, not that guy, but Vibe. Check Vibe out. Let's move on down further. So we have Oculus here, Oculus Rift. Those are those big goggles that you put on. They work great. So you have HTC Vive, and they have a web platform. Check out the web platform, YouTube channels, lots of examples here for you to look through. Scrolling on down, blockchain, yada. Okay, an alternate reality, providing artists and educators a platform to reach millions of viewers in one stream in VR. Yeah. That is like totally cool, and they want to monetize it. Yeah, they need to monetize it so they can stay afloat and be a company for long term. That is a good sign that they're not stupid about that. All right, no middleman fees. Basically, no gas. So you don't have to buy gas to use this thing. How does it work? You get your Vibe coin, and you can use that to pay for VR concerts, perhaps education. Wouldn't that be cool? Say you're a doctor and you're trying to learn anatomy and stuff. How cool would it be to have to be in that setting virtually? You could be at you could actually take medical school and get really good training, being remote. Totally awesome. Virtual assets, those are like 3D things. 3D things like, I don't know, 3D models, etc. that game developers make. Anyway, take a look at their partners, their hardware and software partners. Guys, this is a total A team here. You have Microsoft HoloLens, the Vive, the PlayStation 4, Daydream, which is Google's VR tech on their phone. Just really totally awesome. Check that out. Here's their roadmap. They've done already a bunch of stuff. Right now they want to integrate their off-chain solution, and then by the end of the year they want to release their stuff to all VR AR hardware platforms. Totally awesome. They have a pretty good team here. This one popped out at me. Mark Coops, Advisor and Regional VP for Ericsson. Yeah. Okay, here's their team. Check them out. Check out their white paper. One of the things on their white paper that I really liked was that with 20% of their ICO, they wanted to allocate that to basically having mainstream artists who have a large following already to do stuff. So that means great advertisement. They're going to market this thing, which means that probably the price will increase, right? The more people that know about Vibe, the more people will buy the coin. So this to me is a really good long-term hold. And this is not financial advice. I am telling you this from an energetic perspective. I am not a technical analyst or anything like that. But this thing has really super duper good energy around it. There's only one other coin that beats it, and that's Ven. And Ven isn't sexy. This thing is sexy, but Ven is like totally awesome. But this thing is sexy, and so you can see a lot of price movement in this thing. I'm hoping. So check them out. This is one to put on your radar. If you get it, great, good luck. If you don't, that's great. You pass on it. Best of luck to you and the other coins that you have, really. And so this is it. Check out Vibe, and it's revolutionary. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you want to get notified of when I drop videos, hit the little bell and subscribe. Have a great day, and good luck, everyone.